Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the whiteboard in Google Meet. As you can see, I'm already in the Meet. In order to use a whiteboard, go to Activities here. Click on the New button for new features. Let's search for Whiteboard. Let's choose this and install the whiteboard in Google Meet. Click on Continue. This pop-up shows up because I already have a whiteboard. Let's continue, then sign in with your Google account. And here we go. Now we can use the whiteboard. Let's open it. As you can see, this is the whiteboard. Let's hide this notification and write some text. Now let's hide the AI assistant to see the full screen and write another text. That's it, guys. If you found the video helpful, subscribe to the channel.